Hey beauties, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to highlight your face very demurely using concealer. I did have foundation already. So to begin, I'm using my favorite concealer from Nuban Beauty, and I'm using one that is like one shade brighter than her, just at the outer corners, as you can see, her chin area, the bridge of her nose, and then I've taken a more lighter shade and I'm working that lighter shade in her inner corners of her eyes, and I'm going to do that same motion in her bridge of her nose as well, and I'm going to do that too on her chin. So this is basically what highlighting is all about, bringing back light into the face. And we highlight the T-zone. So the T-zone is this area you see me applying her highlights. So this concealer is one of my favorites. It blends effortlessly, and oh my goodness, I decided to go in again with a much brighter concealer just at the very inner corner. As you can see, this gives you more of an oomph. It gives you more of like, you understand, like it just boosts. If you want that slay snatched look, that very bright inner corner eye gives that look that you want. So going into blend, I started with my forehead, and the motion in which I'm using to blend is I am tapping in. Okay, I'm not swiping, I'm not swirling, I'm just tapping in the spot, on one spot. I'm not distributing the product. I tap in one spot, and then I go ahead and use the other side of my beauty blender that does not have product, and then I blend it out. As you can see, tapping. We don't want this product all over her face. No, that's why you see me tapping in on the spot, and then later on I flip my beauty blender and then I blend on the other side. So yeah, that's just it. Okay, I know you can do it. I know you can do it. So taking the excess product on my sponge, I'm going ahead to reverse contour, like cleaning her contour on her jawline, just to bring back that dimension that we had almost lost there. So I'm going to be blending her inner eyes last, because here now, at this moment, it had gone very tacky. I felt like her contour was lost. Her contour was not much. So I went in, I tried to go and like intensify that contour before I go ahead and do any other thing. And that's what I'm doing now. You can see how very demurely her jawline looks. There's no difference. There's no demarcation. The blend is absolutely amazing. So yeah, I just went ahead to do that contouring on her nose as well, and just like do some finishing touches while I wait for the concealer in her inner eyes to really get dry and tacky. You know, we don't want this all over, so I just want it to really get dry. That's why I went in with my blush first before I'll go ahead and finish blending that concealer in. Okay, this concealer is really creamy, and I don't have a problem if it sits there like that for long. It's not like the Zickel concealer that dries very fast. So I had hopes. I know that this concealer, even if it sits here, I'll still blend effortlessly. Like now, look at how I'm going to blend that. Look at how she looked up, and then I'm tapping in. So if you're working on a client, please look up. Tell the client to look up. If you're working on yourself, please look up. This helps you blend the concealer better, and it avoids creases under your eyes. So I am not really still swiping. I'm not swirling. I am simply just tapping in the product on the spot. Okay, I'm tapping in at the very spot. I am not really like moving the product around. So that's what you want to do, and voila, this is what we are having. Look at that blend. The only thing left now is powder. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. I'm going to show you guys the finished look, and if you want more videos like this detailed, please let me know. So here I had set her face already, and she's looking very demurely. So this is how she was looking at the end, very demurely. Yes, please, if you like more of these videos, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please consider subscribing. Our channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, and vlogs. Please don't also forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you're going to be instantly notified each time I upload any content. Please also leave us a comment on the video you would like us to do next. And yeah, until next time, guys, shalom.